Angelo Agrizzi, the former COO of Bosasa, has been prosecuted and received a suspended sentence for his role in the corruption scandal. He blew the whistle on Bosasa's corrupt dealings with government officials, including former President Jacob Zuma, and he also testified to the Zondo Commission. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Angelo Agrizzi pleaded guilty to 3 counts of corruption and 1 count of money laundering in the Pretoria High Court. So he admitted to bribing government officials to secure contracts worth over 1.8 billion rands for Bosasa. Now, Agrizzi's testimony revealed the extent of corruption, implicating several high-ranking officials, including the former president Jacob Zuma. Now, Agrizzi claimed that Jacob Zuma received monthly payments of 300,000 rands from Bosasa. Also, another high profile that was implicated is Dudu Myeni. The former SAA chairperson allegedly received bribes to protect Bosasa from law enforcement. And also Nomvula Makonyane, the former minister, allegedly receiving 50,000 rands monthly payments. And also Ugwede Mantashe allegedly received security upgrades in his private property. Now, Agrizzi was arrested in 2020 and faced charges of corruption and money laundering. So he entered into a plea agreement with the state, admitting to charges and receiving a 10-year suspended sentence due to his poor health. Now, many implicated in the scandal remain unprosecuted. Given the fact that Agrizzi received a 10-year suspended sentence due to his poor health, the main question is, what about the rest? What are your thoughts?